What's up, G Collision here with Minecraft School episode 11 because 10 was a world tour of the whole entire place. And plus I just wanted to he's at the hotel right now, and first everyone knows it's the shark teacher as a teacher for today. So I'm just gonna wash my hands first. Where's the door? Class, get out the washroom. Come with me. Nope, nope. Okay, this class is too. Everyone here? Come on, Albert. Why don't you open the door? Come on. Come on, class. So we'll go on the trip. I can't see. I gotta make sure everyone's here. Meow. Come on. Shh. There's a zombie around. I sense a zombie. Shh, class, be quiet. Whoa. Whoa, a guard. The teacher must see the class from this bear. This white bear. Okay, class all safe. Someone take the rose for good luck. What's this? Class, no, class off the train tracks. It's dangerous to be on train tracks. Oh, you guys can listen. Oh, and I need to switch it to daytime. Don't class, get out of my way. Come on. What did I say? Get off. No, get off. Don't make me. Where's the rest of the class? No, come back here. You can't run away from your teacher. No, no. Whoa. Come on, get off. Want some Russian stew? I got some. You guys won't listen. I guess. What the heck? Where are you guys coming from? And what the heck happened to these stairs? What is this? Damn. Oh, nice bridge over the thing. I love it. Class, class, come back. What's that? You better take a look. Come on. Give me a roller coaster. Give me a roller coaster. Give me a roller coaster. Got one. Well, I think the class shouldn't be like this. Come on, go back. Go. Oh, this class is disappointing. I may as well go back to somewhere. Wait, what's this? Boat ride? Ah! Oh no. I'm stuck in this hole. Stairs, back up. Oh, these are good. No, what the heck happened? Oh no. What's this? Oh. Make this jump. Oh, I suck. Wait a minute. Magic flying powers, I forgot about that. What's this thing? I don't want to know. I must be going somewhere. Man, these stairs are cranky. Class, you guys have to find your life. Make sure you guys go back to the hotel. We're going to meet up at the hotel at 8 o'clock. Don't be late. Actually, no, we're going to meet up at 6 o'clock. It's dark outside. I need to get over this door somehow. Whoa, don't run over your teacher or you're paying a million. Swear to God, I'm going to break this up. Hey, you guys are all safe. The teacher's going up somewhere. Don't tell the principal or no one. What's this? Boat? Take a boat? What if I do? tokens. There's a token appreciation. Let's see this. Oh no, it broke. Wolfie. Cool, it's a Wolfie. Yeah, that's what I saw, bro. Listen to a stick. A stick, bro. Lifeguard house again. I'm gonna have to go back to the hotel and wait for the class students to come. They better come. They still having fun on your roller coaster, babe. Get out. Move out of the way. What's this? Arrows. I better not touch those. Sharp equipment. And I don't know what that thing is. That big house. I'm gonna have to go explore it. Hopefully it's not running. I can come in there. Take a dip in the hot tub. That's gonna do it for this episode. For Minecraft 4, episode 11. GA Collision out.